Why is low latency crucial for packet switching? Imagine trying to have a quick chat with a friend, but every time you speak, there's a long pause before they hear you. That's what high latency feels like in a computer network. Now, think about how the internet works when you stream a video or play an online game. If there's a delay, it can ruin the experience. That's why low latency is so important for packet switching. Packet switching is how data travels across the internet. Instead of sending one big chunk of information, it breaks data into small pieces called packets. These packets move independently through the network, taking different routes to reach the destination. If these packets arrive slowly or with delays, the whole process gets sluggish. Low latency means these packets reach their destination quickly, making everything feel faster and more responsive. When latency is low, your video streams smoothly without buffering. Online games respond instantly, so you don't get frustrated with lag. Voice calls or video chats sound clear and natural because there's minimal delay. It's like having a real conversation instead of talking into a long tunnel. Low latency also helps make better use of bandwidth. Since packets don't get stuck waiting in queues, the network can handle more data efficiently. This is especially important for applications like remote surgery or financial trading, where even tiny delays can cause big problems. If a doctor is controlling a robot remotely, any delay could be dangerous. For traders, milliseconds matter when buying or selling stocks. In addition, low latency keeps the network reliable. If a link fails, packets are rerouted quickly. Because they arrive fast, the system can recover without noticeable disruption. Routers and switches process packets faster when latency is low, which is vital in large networks with many steps. Technologies like optical fiber and advanced routing protocols help keep latency low. Content delivery networks cache data closer to users, reducing the distance packets need to travel. Protocols like QuickUDP Internet Protocol and HTTP2 improve how packets are handled, making everything faster. So in simple terms, low latency and packet switching keeps the internet quick, smooth, and dependable. It makes sure your videos play without interruption, your games respond instantly, and your calls sound clear. Without low latency, the internet would feel sluggish and frustrating, especially for real-time applications. That's why keeping latency low is a key part of making the internet work seamlessly for everyone.